TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 12 noon Eastern time, middle of the trading day, and we have markets making session lows. Dow Jones now negative 388 points, trading at 24,349. You get the S&Ps currently negative by 38, trading at 2625, and the NASDAQ negative by 123 points, trading at 7,043. Quite a day for oil to the downside. We'll jump over to that chart in a moment. You have oil down $2.20, trading at 51.51. Notes and bonds, higher price, lower yield, 10-year note up 5 ticks, 121.18. 30-year bond up 9 ticks, 145.12. And the gold contract trading up $4.50, 1302.60. We'll start things off. We're going to start it off with some of the earnings sector, as in Caterpillar coming out with their earnings this morning, accelerating session lows almost as we speak, down almost 10%, 9.3%. The other big name out there didn't have earnings, but came out with revising their forecast. NVIDIA down 14%, had been as low as 131, now trading at 137.21. Got quite a bid in the early part of the trading day from 131 all the way up to a high of about 141.64. You're talking about more than $10, still dealing with some problems. AMD, another chip maker, reeling on that news as well, down 6.5%. Micron, not as bad, but down about 1.8%. Jumping back to the indices, with that being the underlying pressure to the downside, Dow now approaching 24,300, was up at 24.6 early in the day. You get the NASDAQ 100 down 66.55 currently, just about to come into the lows we made just prior to 10 a.m. this morning. S&Ps surpassing the lows now. Session lows 26.23 in the March S&P futures contract. There is your crude contract. Quite a slide. We'll back this up. There is midnight last night. We're trading at 53.35. We trade down a solid almost $2 to 51.37 of the price of crude. Gold contract catching a bid as the market declines. You got gold trading at 1302, and euro US dollar a little weak, euro gaining a little strength, 114.35 in the price of the euro. Stay tuned. We got our man Basil Chapman coming up right now. Tiger Technicians Hour. Steve Rhodes live at 1 o'clock. Dave White live at 2 o'clock. And Tom O'Brien wraps up the trading day live from 3 till 5. To recap, folks, we can now have the Dow down 400 points on the dot. Stay tuned. Basil Chapman coming up right now.